Either one. You've been watching my broadcast for a very long time? Really? That's awesome. I appreciate that. I really do. Much love, much love. Thank you so much. God, why is that? I don't like it when it does that. Thank you, bro. I appreciate it. Is your name Dilmer? I can call you Dilmer, I think. I think that's close enough, right? Overnight stream coming soon too. Dima? Yeah, bro. I haven't seen Plushie in a long time. Even when I was streaming there for, consistently, she wasn't there. I don't know if you can at them. I don't know if you have their names memorized. Shoo-wee. Boy, I'm glad I'd not go for no bike ride. I needed to. I needed to go to the store, but I ain't going out in this, bro. It could start raining any minute. Oh my lord. Good God. Very active. Holy. Phew. Why did it freeze? Whoa. I hope you get to America. I don't have that kind of pull, man. I don't have that, I don't have that kind of motion. I don't have that. I don't have that. I don't have that motion, bro. Oh man. Yo, this stuff's being wicked tonight, bro. I haven't seen no heat lightning like this in a long time. Bro, it is so active. Ooh, that was good.